L&T SuFin, managing your business cash flow becomes effortless. Our digital supply chain finance solutions help buyers and sellers transact smoothly on the platform. For sellers, we provide access to invoice discounting through trusted partners like banks, NBFCs, and fintechs, so funds remain accessible even during the credit period. With up to 90% invoice discounting, sellers can utilize their sale proceeds without waiting. Secured and unsecured options are available to suit your needs. And with a revolving credit facility, you can use and reuse funds as your business cycles through orders, letting you focus on growth, not on waiting for payments. On the buyer front, you get advance payment support and credit facilities from trusted organized sector lending partners. With up to 100% purchase order financing, buyers can preserve their own funds during procurement. You can choose between secured or unsecured options tailored to your requirement. And with a revolving credit facility, you can use and reuse funds throughout the year, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted purchasing on the platform. For large buyers and sellers, our channel financing solutions empower your entire ecosystem. Distributor and dealer financing helps your channel partners buy directly from you, driving faster turnover, boosting partner loyalty, and increasing your brand visibility with higher on-ground inventory. Vendor financing ensures your suppliers receive advance payments while you retain funds to keep operations running smoothly, with the added advantage of potential cash discount benefits. With both secured and unsecured options and a revolving credit facility that supports cyclical, year-round fund usage, we deliver a seamless financial backbone for your supply chain. Now, if you ask, why L&T SuFin's financing solutions? It's simple, because SuFin offers one of the widest ranges of product options, from comprehensive financing choices to collateral-free facilities and access to multiple lenders, helping you find the perfect fit for your business to buy and sell on SuFin. Add to that attractive terms, competitive interest rates, flexible tenors, and faster approvals through a simplified loan sanctioning process. Now buy and sell on the SuFin platform through a range of financing options ranging from standalone seller finance and buyer finance to funding your entire value chain through channel finance.